Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my beef quesadillas. To my pan set over medium heat, I'm going to add a 1 pound of ground beef, and I'm using an 80-20 blend, so I don't need to put any oil in the pan. I'm going to let this cook for 15 minutes, but just keep stirring it occasionally. I just want this to get nice and brown. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Okay, now that it's nice and brown, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of water to that and 1 packet of taco seasoning. Give that a good stir and let that cook for about 2 minutes until it's nice and thickened. Now, if you don't want to put taco seasoning, you can put any seasoning you like in there, but I like the taco seasoning because it's easy and it tastes good. When it's finished, remove it from the heat and set it aside. Okay, for the filling, you're going to need 1/2 cup of sour cream, 2 scallions thinly sliced, and you're going to use the whole scallion. 2 tablespoons pickled jalapenos, but you can put as much or as little as you want. It's up to you and how spicy you want it. And 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cilantro. Give everything a good mix. For this, I'm just using store-bought flour tortillas. You can make your own tortilla, but sometimes it's just easy to buy tortilla. With this recipe, I'm going to make 4 quesadillas total, so I'm just dividing this in 4. So you're just going to spread this mixture all over the tortilla, but make sure to leave a little space on the edge of the tortilla. I'm going to put down some Monterey Jack cheese on half of the tortilla because I'm folding it over, so I just need it on 1/2. And then I'm going to put some meat on top of that. And again, like I said, I'm making 4 quesadillas, so I'm just dividing this meat in 4. Then I'm just going to top it with some more cheese, and I'm using 2 ounces of cheese per quesadilla. So think of it like this: if you're using an 8-ounce block of cheese, just divide that in 4. I like to grate my own cheese. I feel like it melts better. Then all you have to do is fold that over. And I like to go ahead and make up all my quesadillas like this and keep them in the fridge until I'm ready to cook them up. In my last video, I showed you how to make chicken quesadillas. If you want to see how to make that, I'm going to leave it linked below for you. My hubby said he likes the chicken quesadillas more than the beef, but I prefer this beef quesadilla more than the chicken, so let me know in the comments which one would you prefer, the beef or the chicken. I love quesadillas because you just can't go wrong. I mean, you can make them however you like. It's all up to you and what you like. To cook them up, you're going to set your pan over medium heat. Brush a little bit of oil in the pan to get started. You're going to cook them 2 minutes per side. I like to keep turning it because some parts of the pan is hotter than some. To cook the next side, I like to brush a little bit more oil on top of it and then flip it over. I messed up here because my pan wasn't quite hot, so I still want to turn it over and cook it a little bit more, so that was more than 2 minutes. But usually if you get your pan hot enough, you just need to cook it 2 minutes per side. I'm just going to cut it in half and serve it up with some homemade pico de gallo. This is optional because the way this tastes with all the flavors and everything, you really don't need anything with it. It's good on its own. But sometimes I like it with a little bit of pico de gallo. Not all the time I feel like making pico de gallo. So sometimes I'll just eat it by itself, or if I have the time and have the ingredients, then I'll go ahead and make it. But either way, it's good. This was so cheesy and so flavorful. Oh my gosh, it was so good. Also, it was so hot I could barely bite it. I was putting it up to my mouth and then I couldn't bite it because it was so hot. Ah, but it was good. I want some right now. I really hope you give this one a try, and if you do, you can tag me on any of my socials, or you can message me and send me a picture of any of my recipes that you create. I answer all of my message across all of my socials, so that's TikTok, that's Facebook, Instagram. You can message me and I will answer you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.